There we go, guys. There we go.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Lacho FL, Brentwood FL, Broward FL, Charlotte FL, Citrus FL, Collier FL, 12,086, DeSoto FL, Dixie FL, Gilchrist FL, Glades FL, Hart FL, Hendry FL, Coronado FL, Highlands FL, Hillsborough FL, Lake FL, Lee FL, Levy FL, Manatee FL, Marion FL, Orange FL, Osceola FL, Palm Beach FL, Moscow FL, Venice FL, Polk FL, Sarasota FL, Seminole FL, and Sumter FL, beginning at 7:43 a.m. and ending at 9:43 a.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Michael Morris, a white male, 9 years old, 4 feet 11 inches tall, 95 pounds, blonde hair and green eyes, last seen in the area of the 4000 block of Sale Drive in Holiday, Florida, who was last seen wearing a black t-shirt and white shorts. Michael has an abrasion on his chin. Michael may be non-communicative. The child may be in the company of Huddle Lamppost Save Alice, a white male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 180 pounds, black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2011 white Nissan Versa, Florida tag number PCWH01. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Pasco County Sheriff's Office at 727-847-8102 or 911 pound Flimber.